Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see some overview of Python. So before going to the Python, I recommend everyone should know these top 3 languages. So I choose these 3 top language because of they have a large community of developers and the resource that they have. So the first one is Python. So as you know, Python is a high-level and interpreted language, so which is everyone can easily learn and use it. So it has a simple syntax and a large library of modules that can be used for a wide range of application, including the web development, so scientific computing, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so on. So Python is popular and versatile, that it makes the language easy for both beginners and experienced programmers. So the second one is Java. So you know, Java is an object-oriented programming language, so which is widely used for developing enterprise application. So one of the example of the enterprise application is Microsoft. So in general, Java, it helps us to write those files having .exe extension. So it also helps us to develop web application and the others. So it has a strong community like Python and a large library of frameworks and tools that makes it popular choice for large scale of projects. The other important thing is Java's platform is independent and it has strong community and security features. So the third one is JavaScript, which is popular like the other two, and it's basically used for front-end web development. It's also increasingly used for back-end development with the advent of the other frameworks like Node.js. So JavaScript, again, it helps us to add interactive and dynamic features of websites and web applications. Let's come to Python. So what's Python? So Python is a high-level programming language. That means you can easily read, write, and use it for any purpose. So it was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and nowadays it's one of the most popular language and widely used program for a wide range of applications. Python is interpreted language, which means it doesn't not need to compiled like other language. So this makes it easy to use and allows for quick prototyping and experimentation. Python has a large and active community of developers, libraries, tools. You can write your own, even your own language, your own library, and you can use it. So it's like the English language. So what are the key features of Python? So one of the key features of Python is simple syntax. So Python has a simple syntax. So it has a clean and easily understandable syntax. Also, it has large standard library. You can build your own, or you can use the one which is already built. So this large standard library helps us to parse data, working with files, working with database, and etc. Python is an object-oriented language again, so which supports object-oriented programming, which makes easy to use, to write reusable and modular codes. The first one is cross-platform. That means you can install Python in a variety of operating systems, in Windows, Mac, or Linux, or any other. So the first one is dynamic typing. So Python is a dynamically typed language, which means you do not need to declare type of variable before using it. So if you want to learn about Python, so what are the basics of Python? The first one is data type. So what are the data types of Python? Is it integer, float, complex, a string, and boolean, or any other? And the other is control structure. So you have to know the sequence or the control structure. And the third one is the functions and the modules. So you should know how to define a function, how to build a module, and other. So anyone who knows these three things, these three basics, then everything will be easy. If you want to know more about Python, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.